welcome back to the One Sweet Kitchen. My next meal for one person is going to be a lovely vegetarian omelette. Right, vegetable omelette. Today I'm making a big satisfying omelette for one person. I've got here half a small onion chopped, half a red pepper chopped, finely chopped, some roughly chopped mushrooms, about 80 grams, 3 eggs. I'm normally used 2, but these are quite small, so I'm just using 3. Some chopped chives from the freezer, some salt and pepper, some frozen peas, just a handful. So in the pan I've got 10 ml of vegetable oil. So I'm going to pop the peppers, onions and mushrooms in there, and I'm going to fry them gently until they're softened. About 5 or 6 minutes should do that. Right, these are softening down nicely now, so I'm just going to pop in the peas just to heat them through. Meanwhile, I'm whisking the eggs with some salt and pepper. Just going to pour the eggs over now, and I'm preheating the grill because I'm going to finish this off with an ounce of mature cheddar cheese, and I'm going to finish it off under the grill. So I've covered the eggs I'm going to cover the eggs with a plate. So I've covered the pan with a plate, and I'm just going to cook that for a couple of minutes until the eggs are cooked underneath. Right, I've removed the plate and the omelette's set underneath. So I'm going to scatter on the chives. They're all stuck together. Sprinkle them on. That's because they've been in the freezer, of course. Sprinkle on the 1 ounce of mature cheddar cheese, and I'm going to pop this under the grill until it's brown. Right, the omelette's finished now. Looks absolutely delicious. And it's huge. I'm going to need 2 spatulas to get this out of the pan. So I'm just serving it up with a little salad. It's broken up, but that doesn't matter to me at all. I could have cut it into wedges and served it that way, but I am so hungry. It's going straight down the hatch. So there you go, wonderful, satisfying vegetarian omelette with a little bit of salad on the side. Absolutely delicious. See you later. Bye.